Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a very long time since something from the stables of VR first came to you. It's been close to 5 years since the idea of VR First.in was born. But tonight is a very special night because we got our hands on the Oculus Go from Amazon. So, the Great Indian Festival or the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale starts midnight tonight, and we have early access to some of the deals being Prime member. So here goes. Let's unbox the Oculus Go. Uh, Let me look for my cutter. Here goes. So the early access to the deal allowed me to get this product for roughly around 34,000 rupees in India, and that is the reason why I have been so excited about the whole Great Indian Festival sale, because having come from the site merchandising side of Amazon, it's really exciting to see where this has gone. So here goes. This is how the product is packaged. Very, very nicely, very tight. It's reached me in under 24 hours. I placed the order yesterday, and here goes. This is. I think I should flip the camera. Here we go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the Oculus Go box in its full beauty. As you can see, we have no PC required, not powered by a phone. A lot of apps already built into the Oculus Home, like Netflix, Discovery, Hulu, and a lot of games, of course. So let's unbox this marvel. And just like the packaging of the latest phones of the day, this is something like this. Carefully just going to open the box and try to see if it drops down. It does. Wow. Here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Oculus Go along with a touch remote, which looks very beautiful in its grey, silvery grey color. It's got a back button and an Oculus Home button along with a trigger. So, also comes inbuilt with a battery, which I have already inserted into this, but it comes separately. So, there's a double A size battery required. And this beauty is what I have been waiting for at least 24 hours now. So there's a power button right here, and it's one touch on, the light glows, and a volume control button. The straps are nice and sturdy as compared to the Oculus Samsung Gear VR Oculus, which I have right here in front of me. The weight of the Oculus Go is roughly double the weight of this, so this must be something like 500 grams. It's close to a kg if I'm not wrong. But you'll have to check out the specifications on the box for the specifics. But quite sleek because the CPU comes inbuilt into this device, unlike the other Oculus devices before this. Very importantly, this foam padding is quite nice and soft, very sturdy and durable. And of course, the elastic bands can be adjusted based size. There is an option to change the interpupillary distance also. So that's a beautiful concept with the Oculus Go. And let's see what all accessories come along with it. So I think this contains a charging cable, and there is a muslin cloth to clean your lenses, and there is a lanyard. The lanyard can be used to connect the ends of the controller or the trigger or the remote of the Oculus Go. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll leave this unpacking video or an unboxing video to be short and sweet, so that people who are interested in buying the Oculus Go can visit the link in the description down below and make the most of this advantage. Remember, you're watching VRFirst.in, your first destination for all the virtual reality news and updates here in India. Bye bye, keep watching.